Buongiorno. Hey, it's a big Chef Capalbo. No, I don't have my hat on, but the one thing you want to do before you do anything in your kitchen is clean it. You want a clean kitchen. No salmonella on the table. You don't get cross-contamination is good. Bueno. That's for you Spanish-speaking people out there. Anyway, so I want to show you the way a stove should look. This is the way it should look. Nice and clean. Yes, and also the knobs. You want to make sure you clean the knobs. If they are not clean, they look like that. I need to clean that a little more there, but as you can see, it is clean all the way down. This is a how-to video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe down here in the corner. Now, I hope the inside of the oven's clean. I have not looked. No. It's very dirty. I need to clean inside the oven. You want it clean because that white stuff should not be there. That's flour from making pizza. Okay, so. But as you can see, everything else is clean. The door, the handles, the burners, and the back, the flash pan. You want it all clean. And then of course you want clean dishes. You're gonna have to eat on clean dishes, correct? And clean utensils, everything must be clean. So, as you can see, I'm working on this kitchen. It's a freaking mess. And I did not take it much longer. Woo-wee! I don't know what I'm saying, but you know, it sounds good. So, I cleaned the, what am I talking about? I have to clean the refrigerator. It has some spills on it. Somehow, spot got on the roof. Must have had major explosion of spaghetti sauce. Need to clean the toaster oven. It is very dirty. It smells every time I make a sandwich. It's, no good. No bueno. Okay, that's another Spanish word. And then the other thing. The refrigerator. That's not the refrigerator. It me crazy, eh? Yeah. Okay, what I need to clean is this. Look at this mess. You don't want a dirty microwave. As a matter of fact, if I was Chef Ramsay, no microwave. He doesn't use microwave, but I do. When I'm in a hurry and I want to get Pop-Tarts made in there. No, they'd blow up. They don't, no good. No bueno. So you want to clean everything. And then the walls, you want them clean too. You don't want dirt. Dirt is no good. So, Chef Capalbo did the dishes. He cleaned the stove. He has major disaster to clean up here. Too much stuff. Maybe he needs to cook. Maybe I am cook. He needs a cameraman to help. But yes, as you can see, is a mess. We are cleaning it up. Make it fresh for spring. Summer, dinner, winter, fall, whatever you're making dinner for. So what are we having tonight? Well, I can cheat and make a pizza, which I don't want to do because I had pizza yesterday. I think I'm going to make this right here. It's a frozen chicken breast. So we'll make something from in there. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe to Chef Capalbo, or MSC Artworks, as my channel is called. So remember, I am hoping to see you. I hope you want to see me, and we will make something delicioso. Once again, grazie and arrivederci.